Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and making sure the audio output is set. Built-in speaker, Bluetooth headset, or wired headphones. Once done, swipe to open Control Center or bring the media app forward so you see the on-screen volume control. Make sure silent mode and focus are off, otherwise media may be muted. You do this now because adjusting the right output prevents confusion, so select the device. Then proceed to change the media slider for immediate feedback. You can press the side volume buttons for quick increments, but for precision, drag the Control Center media slider. This adjusts app and system media volumes separately from Ringer. If you need exact levels, open the Playing app. Many apps have their own slider that overrides system adjustments. Also, tap the AirPlay icon to route sound to AirPods or speakers. This matters because different outputs have different perceived loudness. Once set, test playback for clarity and balance. Finish by checking settings, sounds, and haptics to confirm your Ringer and alert slider, and to enable any limits like reduce loud sounds or sound check, which affect media. If audio still misbehaves, toggle Bluetooth off and on, reconnect wired headphones, or use assistive touches on screen volume controls. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the app or the iPhone if volume stays stuck. This clears temporary audio routing bugs and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.